field visit at Aranya farms with Padmagar. Biochar from cotton stalk. కాటన్ దే కదా ఇది ఎక్కువ మటుకు
ఇది కాటన్
ఇది పీజెన్పీయా పీజెన్పీ బయోచార్ ఇది పౌడర్ अच्छा sieved biochar
made and kept it here. It's like last May we made, not this May, before May we made this one. Okay, and if you don't charge, it will be like that for any number of years. Okay, so you can see right side, that is the charged one. Charged one with the Jivamrit. You can see. The plants are growing. Yes, yes.
The whole
heap. The whole heap.
Achha.
The mound was charged with the Jivamrit. Jivamrit and compost. Then you can see the life on that, and you can see if you, as long as if you don't charge it, you can see like this.
So when you say charge, what do you mean?
Like yesterday, Sai Bhaskar told, no?
Oh, this thing mixing
Adding the compost and other things like inoculants or compost. What are the things we can add? With that we can charge the biochar. Then it is ready for application.
Understood.
So without charging, for soil application I can say. So this is the charged one with any of the things. You can use the Jivamrut, you can use the soil, compost soil, you can use just farmyard manure, anything we can add into that. You can keep it for few days or few months, then you can apply it to the soils. It means it is ready for application of the soils. If it is like this, it can stay for any number of years. No life in it.
And you can later on time you can charge it again, is it?
Whenever we need, we can charge it. Okay. So if you want to use for urban gardening, you can see like this. It's like how light it is. If you want, especially for the rooftop gardening, you can use. This is like excellent for growing of the vegetables in the urban gardens. Especially, you touch it, like you can feel the weight. Okay, again put back here.
very light.
There you go.
we'll take some for testing activation today again because yesterday's was not
So
some little bit you take we'll test it powdered.
this is like the cotton we made, no? The cotton one we sieved it, and this one we are going to do with the yesterday. I will show you the compost what we added.
Smells like mud. For urban gardening, you can take a boring.
Usually smell won't be there, but because of keeping in the open,
You can take one boring.
something is
I'm not smelling the smell.
there won't be smell unless something
I put my nose inside, like I can smell
No,
mud.
you can see the smell here. Come.
yeah
When you mix something, I think when you charge it.
yeah
Little smell, not much smell you don't
Much
get.
this thing.
That is no smell. It is little bit you can smell it.
Yeah, the petrichor smell.
Padma garu, one small experiment here. Go around, bring any plant which is very big with leaves, slowly pluck, okay, with roots. Bring it here. And same plant outside anywhere you pluck. They are weeds, okay. One plant you from here one, another from outside. Outside means any soil, not from compost, but from like ordinary soil there. Slowly pluck with roots and soil also. Don't take off soil. Go around here in this heap only. In this heap. This is one, okay. Like that you plug different species, 2, 3.
You don't plug the Glaracidia.
Glaracidia is good.
I am going to plant this.
Okay.
That's okay. That's okay. No, but see the leaves and other thing. Don't take from here down.
Okay.
You see where it is charged and where it is growing comfortably. That thing is important.
What did you use to charge this one?
Jivamrut, madam said, no? So that is from cattle, what we get. Urine, dung, then they add the jaggery, like that, all that. So, same species outside you get.
What is this equipment?
Yeah, you keep them here, let us see, somewhere on the ground.
Actually, this one is the good one. You can take. Pull it with your friend. Pull whole thing. You can hold it. Pull it whole thing.
Yeah, bring it. One you bring. Yeah, this same thing outside somewhere you bring, where there we don't have Jivamrut or anything added. Natural in the control soil. So we'll keep somewhere in the ground where it is clean, so we can observe. We'll go there maybe.
Sure.
लेके आओ एक ऑर्डिनरी वाला भी लेके आओ सेम स्पीसीज का.
That is compost.
ठीक है उधर रखो सॉइल वाला उधर रखो. हाँ बेबी. हाँ चलो 2 हो गया और दूसरा स्पीसीज लेके आओ.
ఇది వచ్చేసి like this one is like you can see the root zone, you can see the tap root and other roots, like it's like a bunch. Okay, see, like length also you can see how much it is. Almost is one like half feet, like this. And then the leaf, and then number of stems you can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like now it's like a bunch. Okay, the leaf size you can see, the big leaf you can found it from here.
Take it.
This
Yeah,
is the big
biggest.
leaf.
Keep it here.
The biggest leaf of biochar application.
Biochar compost.
Biochar compost. And then this one is the soil, and then very little of biochar. Okay, in this also you can see, compare with the leaf, biggest leaf in this. You can see the leaf size.
This is okay. Then only control we want.
Only control.
This one?
This one. No,
Acha,
no. Adibama. Give me that.
Same species.
Same species, the same pulalam, and you can see deficiency. And then the biggest leaf which we can take from here is the healthiness, and then root and everything we can see the difference.
Can you see if anybody having a coin, give me for scale. Usually you have to use the pen, coin, whatever you have in the field.
Coins, nobody.
Or if you don't have, use your credit card is international standard size.
Here's a visiting card.
ठीक है सर. For the size. नहीं ये नहीं ऐसा.
Move it upside down and
हाँ ये ठीक है. As a visiting card size we can see. This is also standard. So we can see comparison in comparison to that. Almost all the biochar compost plant is twice, double the size. And you count the number of leaves, again they are at least as compared to the control, at least 15-20 times maybe. Yeah, 10 times minimum it is there. Agreed? Can you see this one?
This one is the tall leaves.
Yeah. This one will remove, madam. That last one will remove. Yeah. No confusion.
And actually, if you compare with these two also, same size and
same
other things,
size, yeah.
you can see the healthiness, and then size of the leaf also you can see, and compare with this. From the both.
Same height plants also, if we see.
It's like actually older than this,
Hmm.
but even though the number of leaves, the color of the leaves, and then size of the leaves are different.
So a couple of questions.
Yeah.
So I have not done biology after 10th standard.
Nobody did. Yeah.
So yellow is what deficiency of what?
It's a deficiency of
Zinc normally,
Zinc.
yeah, is a
Got it. So biochar would have gotten zinc.
all
How?
everything.
Compost.
Yes, it's like treated with the charged with the Jivamrut and compost. No,
Okay, so
it
just-
has everything.
Understood. So it's
And then
kind
moisture is moisture is also one of the factor, and then along with other nutrients, water and nutrients, if it is together, you are the healthy person. Even like humans also, we are like that. No, similarly plants also, if you have enough water, enough nutrients, you are healthy. Similarly, here is the stress of the water, stress of the nutrients. It's a suffering. So, like always, you compare with the human beings with the plants. If you are providing healthy environment, they will be healthy always. Just like by seeing this, see. Though it is a small, like nutrients are enough, plenty, that like looks healthy. By seeing itself, you can say.
Hmm. Okay. Grass, somebody compare now. It's a learning for you. Grass. Come. You are there. Great. This ones you remove now. Because we don't want confusion. Yeah.
All this is from biochar, I think.
Wow. Running.
the card.
The running one.
Yeah, we can keep it here. Running one.
Yeah.
So see how the roots are held and how the biochar is held by the roots. Yeah. And the root here you see total. Okay. But if you see the same grass in the soil, this is control soil, local soil as it is. So the root, everything if you put one above another, you see comparison, how small it is. Even total length is also not so great.
Even
Yeah.
having nutrient deficiency here also.
Yeah, that's very natural. But otherwise, the total growth, luxuriant growth, branches you see how many are there.
Yeah. Thickness
Yeah. Yeah. The color of the leaves is darker. Very good. That's another observation. Yeah.
Yeah, but the sir asked question like the time duration of the growth of this both is same or not?
See, this nobody planted. Naturally, the seed was existing. So with rains, it has come up. So we are only seeing the season. Otherwise, it never existed in summer. Okay, that's all. So what you do is you do by yourself exact date and time. That's better.
That will be good experiment.
This is observations in the natural environment.
Convince the farmers they might need.
Yeah, this one who will explain. Last one. ठीक है.
And take the biggest size of the leaf in this.
Side ये बहुत dominating color है.
क्या?
Card.
कार्ड व्हाइट चाहता है ना अम्ब्रेला के
इसमें से एक leaf ले लो, बड़ा वाला.
नहीं आई कैन टेक एन फोटो कैन कीप इट नेक्स्ट टू द अम्ब्रेला
अभी लीफ कितना बड़ा है इसका कंपेयर किए तो बिगेस्ट लीफ कंपैरिजन.
Compare with the
अच्छा.
Yeah, so if you can see the leaf with the biochar compost is much bigger. It's twice the controlled soil leaf size. And here you can also see that the number of leaves on this particular weed is many, like there are many, and it looks quite healthy as compared to this. The leaves also seem a bit smaller, and the color also you can obviously
Sometimes pest attack also you can see.
yeah, right.
Because unhealthy plants, see the root thickness, especially here you see the root thickness, here you see root thickness, length also more. Here actually it is broken,
Yeah.
and total root hair you see how many times it is more root hair.
It is like double, twice, more than twice.
Yeah, this is like people who lose hair, no?
Yeah.
I should not compare, but so
Right.
okay, good. So you keep separate both of them. Then take pictures.